Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be filming a Halloween box swap unboxing. I did this with my friend Alecia. I'm gonna link her channel down below. She's another small YouTuber, but you can go and check her out, and also on her channel she will have the video unboxing the box that I sent her. So if you guys are curious, definitely go check out her channel. Okay, so this is the box that she sent me. I got it like 3 or 4 days ago and I haven't touched it. It was really hard, but I was strong, so I'm gonna unbox everything and this is gonna be my first impression, first reaction. Super excited. Also have the biggest scissors. Oh my god, this is so cute. Like, she packaged everything so nicely. Here is how the box looks like when I just opened it. She has a card for me. It's super cute. It says trick or treat. She is an artist, so here in this little note she's saying that she also sent me a original art piece and I'm super excited to see it. I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Oh my gosh! I think that's me. That's so amazing. Wow, I love this so much. That's so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is the best, honestly. I don't even know what to say. Like, this is so special already. Like, she put so much stuff inside. Oh my goodness. This is adorable. So the first things are these little cute pumpkins. I love them. They're like plushies. Oh, they're so stinking cute. I'm definitely gonna put them somewhere on display with my other Halloween decorations. But these are so cute. Adorable. She also got something for my cat and that's literally the best. So cute. It's a s'more and it's like campfire. That's the cutest thing. Oh my gosh. I love this so freaking much. I think my cat will like it because they're catnip toys. And that's pretty much the only category of toys that he plays with, so can't wait to give it to him. She got me 2 pairs of socks, which is so amazing. The first pair says Hello Fall, and they're super cute. And then the other ones have avocados on them, and that's literally amazing. I love them. Next up we have this jack-o'-lantern baggie. Can't wait to see what's in there. It's a bunch of candy and that's just awesome. Love it. She also got me a room spray in the scent Maple Sugar Donut. Awesome. So excited to see what it smells like. Ah, so good. I'm gonna spray it right now. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. I love it so much. She also got me a pack of Fall Harvest pasta. Wow, I love pasta. I'm definitely gonna be making these. And the last thing in here is another piece of Halloween decor. It's this jack-o'-lantern. He's wooden and it says spooky. And it's literally so adorable. I'm gonna go and show the toys to my cat now. Okay. If he ignores them, that's pretty normal. That's what he usually does right away. But he eventually like warms up to them. Cammy, look! Cammy, look. He's more interested in the box itself. As you know, cats and boxes. Cammy! Hey, dummy! So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was definitely super fun to film. Such a cool surprise. Thank you so much again, Alecia. I'm gonna link her channel everywhere in the description and in the info cards, so definitely check her out. And I will see you next week with another video. Bye guys!